company must decide between scrapping or reworking units that do not pass inspection. The company has 16,000 defective units that cost $5.10 per unit to manufacture. The units can be sold as is for $2.50 each, or they can be reworked for $3.50 each and then sold for the full price of $9.80 each. If the units are sold as is, the company will have to build 16,000 replacement units at a cost of $5.10 each and sell them at the full price of $9.80 each. Number 1. What is the incremental income from selling the units as scrap? First, the sale of scrap units, that is 16,000 units at $2.50 each, would yield $40,000. The sale of new units that you're going to have to make to replace those, that is 16,000 units at $9.80 selling price, would yield $156,800, less the cost to produce the new units, which were $5.10 a piece. So that's a total of $81,600. And the incremental income from selling the units as scrap and then reproducing these units at a cost of $5.10 each with a selling price of $9.80 a piece would be a total incremental income of $115,200. What is the incremental income from reworking and selling the units? The sale of the rework units would be 16,000 units at $9.80 a piece, which is $156,800. So you can get the full price for them if you rework them. But that's going to cost $3.50 a piece to rework times the 16,000 units that you're going to rework, or that's going to reduce that by $56,000, less the opportunity cost of not making new units at 16,000 units at $2.50 the scrap value, or minus another $40,000. So the incremental income from reworking and selling the units would be $60,800. And so the third question is, what must the company decide? The product should not be reworked, as the income from reworking, which is $60,800, is less than the income from selling as is, which is $115,200.